Woke up today, felt more of the same. A marathon runner, running in place. Carved through the hills like a river to nowhere. A little less thinking, a little more space. I'm doing my best, looking for rest, for a marathon mind. Heavy's the head that lives in the cloud. Searching for problems to answers I found. It ain't good for nothing, it just adds to the noise. Choir static, what's one more voice?